we are going to talk about the one biggest advantage of Android over iOS. Is it battery? No. Price? Definitely not. Customization? Yes. So without wasting any much time, let's get started. Volume panel is something we use in our daily life. There is an app called Volume Styles in which you can customize the volume panel. There is iOS theme, One UI theme, ColorOS, Windows theme and many more. So just click any one of them and grant all the permission it requires. And after that, if you press the volume button, you will see the theme is applied. There are also some additional settings. Some are premium features, so check it out. Status bar looks simple, but we can also make it more useful. Super status bar changes functionality of status bar. Grant all the permission it asks. Now if you move along the edge, you will see the brightness changes. There are also some settings you can see, like you can select what quick settings you want in the notification bar. So check it out. The next app is called Zwart, which is specially designed for people who love black. Open the app and then when you click on apply, it will ask you to download any launcher in which you want to apply the dark theme. So I have downloaded the Nova launcher. Click on it and it will ask you to apply theme icon. Click on OK. Now go back and click on the Nova launcher to apply the theme. Choose your settings. Now you will see the dark theme is applied and it looks awesome. If you have never experienced always on display or your phone does not have the feature, then it might help you. This app has a lot of features like edge mode, edge styles and even many more, so you can customize the way you want. Now this app will give you a little look of iOS like notification to your Android device. Open the app and grant all the permission. Now when you swipe down from the top right part, the control panel will show up, which looks like a little bit of iOS, and the top left part will show you all your notifications. You can also change the layout style, the colors of the icon, text, and it looks very well. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.